What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. So we are back with another wig install, and today's video is brought to you by Sunber Hair. This is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package today. So I received a gift bag with some goodies, wig caps, eyelashes, headband, all the good stuff. This is it. And this is a wig for today. It is a 16-inch 13x4 transparent lace kinky curly wig. This is it. The unit comes pre-plucked, ready to be installed. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Sunber Hair, their website is also in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is a wig for today. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the install. I won't be wearing a wig cap for this install. I will be putting on my wig grip strap. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace, and then we install our unit. But this is what our lace is looking like. Again, this is their transparent lace wig, and this is what our lace is looking like without foundation. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation to my lace. Alright guys, so this is what our wig is looking like now that we added some foundation. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Alright guys, so I just put my wig on, and this is what it's looking like. This is it. Again, this is their transparent lace wig, and this is what it's looking like. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and install my unit. So today I will be doing a glueless install on this unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the installation. Alright guys, so I just finished cutting the ear tabs out. I also use my hot comb to just push the hairline back a little bit more, so that when I'm cutting the lace off, I can see where the hairline actually starts. But this is what it's looking like. What I'm about to do is to actually cut the excess lace off from around the hairline, and then we can tie this down. But this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. So when you're cutting off your lace for a glueless install, you want to make sure you cut exactly where the hair starts to go in the lace, exactly there, so it can look like more realistic. You want to make sure that when you're cutting the lace off, you cut exactly where the hair is in the lace. So this is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the rest of the lace off. Guys, so I just finished cutting the excess lace off, and this is what it's looking like. This is it. It is given super natural already. This is it. You can see that it looks super realistic, like my hairline. This is it. And I haven't applied anything to this unit. No glue, no gel, nothing's added to the hairline. This is what it's looking like. What I'm about to do now is to apply some mousse around the hairline. The mousse I'll be using today is the Latte Body mousse. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some moves around the hairline, tie this down, and finish styling my wig. So I will be applying it with my edge brush. The less, the better. Especially because now I'm wearing makeup, you don't want this to be too messy. Like, lash body mousse can be very messy if you use too much. So the less you use, the better it comes out. So I'm about to put a little bit on my edge brush and just apply it in little portions until the whole lace is completed. The way I'm applying it, I'm actually just brushing back the hair and then I just dab it on the edge of the lace, so that way when I tie it down it will still give that realistic hairline look. So I'm just dabbing it on the lace while I brush it back. I'm also making my baby hair now because once you tie this down, you don't want to bother the hairline anymore. So I'm also just making a little bit of natural soup, as you can see right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up. Alright guys, so this is what our hair is looking like. It is giving super natural, it's giving laid. This is the vibes. What I'm about to do is to tie this down, let it sit, and then we just finish curling our wig. But I love the way it's looking. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down and then we finish styling our wig. Alright guys, so I just finished making my curls. It's looking super silky, super fluffy. It's one of those big curls and I love it. This is it. It is super silky, super soft, super fluffy. This is it. Now I'm excited to take the strap off and see what my hairline actually looks like. So let's go ahead and take this off. Okay, so this is it. This is what it's looking like. Oh my gosh, it is looking so laid, so natural, and I promise you guys it is completely glueless. It is given laid, it's given melted, but I promise you guys, no glue, no gel, none of that stuff was added to this hairline. Let me show you guys. It is completely glueless. This is it. Completely glueless. This is it. It is given super laid, super melted. This is what the hairline is looking like, and I can honestly tell you guys it is completely glueless. This is it. It is super fluffy, super soft, and I just love everything about this hair. Overall, I must say I love how the lace blends so good without glue, without gel. None of that stuff was added to the hairline, and it melts so good. It blends so perfect with my skin. This is it. Again, this unit is from Sunber Hair, and this is their 16-inch 13x4 Kinky Curly transparent lace wig. This is what it's looking like. Super fluffy, super soft. This is it. It is given natural. It's given laid. I want to get this unit, the link is in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Sunber Hair, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is what our wig is looking like. This is it. Super soft, super fluffy, given natural, given laid at the roots. It is perfect. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below and let me know how you feel about this unit, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.